Hello, and welcome back to our Progeox tip of the month. In this video, we'll create an ore body with the implicit modeling command that can be found in the geological mapping module. For this, we'll need to load our diamond drill holes as well as their respective annotations, but since we already have them loaded, we'll just turn on the layers on which they're in. Geological mapping is used to create an implicit model of a specific lithology. This tool allows the user to create a model from the contact point of one defined property to another property that is attached to a drill hole, for example, the lithology. Here we have different lithologies loaded, but the one we'll be using is the zone lithology, which contains our ore and our grades. If we rotate for a better view, we can take a look at the zone lithology, which we can find here, and along the other diamond drill holes. So we return to plan view. And before we jump into the command, we'll have to do some configurations in the options menu for geological mapping. Here you can set this configuration if you don't have it. If you already have it, leave as is. And we'll have to load our drill database in this section, as well as select the radial basis function for polyharmonic. So in this case, our drill hole database that we'll be using is the same one that we use for our diamond drill holes as well as our annotations. And it's our demo access database. So we click here and look for our database. We select database and look in the C disk. We go over to root, test data, diamond drill holes, demo, and our demo access. For our table, we'll select the lithologies in which we have our lithologies, and the specific one we're going to use is zone. The model column is called litho shorts. Our hole number is located in our hole name column. Our from column is located in our from column. As well for to, we have it located in our to column. So we just click OK and click OK. So now we can jump into the implicit modeling command, and it'll ask us to select our holes. Now it'll ask us for a lithology, which is our zone lithology, which has our ore as well as the grades. And the radius we'll be using is 20, as well for a shape parameter 0.1. And here the command will ask us for the output objects. We have the option to create a surface or an ore body. And in this case, we'll be using the ore body. The layer upon we want it to create it will be the ore body layer, which we created already. And it'll ask us the type of object. And we want to create a mesh. The resolution depends on the type of quality you want to create your ore body. You can leave it here or take it higher or leave it lower. It depends on your preference. And the color for the mesh, we'll leave it at lithology. So once we're done, we just hit create. And the command will automatically start creating our ore body. As we can see, we correctly created our ore body rapidly with Progeox, and we can take a rotation to get a better look. This is a powerful tool to create your ore body, but as well, it depends on the interpretation done from the geologist and the geology department. So this is an automatic way to create your ore body with the specifications we gave the command. But some geologists also create the ore body in the manual way to compare both and analyze them. We hope you found this tip useful and can use it in your future planning. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down in the comments section so we can answer you. Thank you for watching.